It was a lovely day out on the farm, and all the little pigs were enjoying their pig food. "Oh, this is delicious! We should give an extra oink to our kind Farmer John. I shall start. Oink, oink, oink. Yummy! Oink, 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 oink. Oak, oak, oak. Oh, Joy, you can't oink yet, but that's okay. Don't worry about it. It will come soon." Well, little Joy felt bad. She lost her appetite and decided to leave. Little Joy wandered over to the flower field. "Oh, I just can't seem to get it. I can't grunt like other pigs. Oak, oak, oak. Oh, I just can't do it. I don't know what to do." Soon the little boy who watered the flowers came along. "Oh, hello, little pig. You must be lost. I shall help you find your way home." And he went over to pick up little Joy and take her back to the farm. And so the little boy brought little Joy back home. "All right, little pig, don't get lost now. Stay with your pig friends." The pigs were practicing for the fair. "All right, now, I'll go first, and you all tell me how I'm doing, okay? All right, here I go. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Oink, oink, oink." All right, how was that? How was that, everybody? Oh, that was great. You see, the fair was coming up soon, and Farmer John was getting his pigs ready for the pig show. And they had to know how to hold their head up high, walk a special way, and oink very proudly. All right, I'm going next. Oink, oink, oink. All right, how was that, everybody? Oh, that was great. Okay, Caroline, why don't you go? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold my head up high. Do not let my head look at the dirt. Oink, oink, oink. How was that? Was that acceptable? Oh, that was great. Yeah, very good. How about Joy? Joy, you go ahead. Oh, I don't know. No, go ahead, Joy. All right. Oak, oak, oak. Oh, I can't do it. Well, it just takes a little practice. Don't worry, Joy, it'll come. Just doesn't seem like it is working. I don't know what to do. Well, just keep practicing. So little Joy went back to the flower garden. Oh, am I ever going to learn how to grunt? I just don't know. I'll try. Oak, oak, oak. Oak, oak, oak. Oh, my throat is getting sore. Soon the little boy who watered the garden came along. "Shh. Hi there, little pig. I heard you trying to oink, but you're missing a sound. I could teach you how to oink." "You could?" "Yeah, I just need to get some paper and show you the sounds that you're missing." "Really? You can teach me?" "Oh, sure. I'll be right back." So the little boy took out a strip of orange paper and put it on the grass. "Okay, little pig, this is what you are saying. Do you know what this is?" "Oh, yeah, that's O for orange. Like Mrs. Oh, she has orange lips and they're big and poofy. I remember that. That just says oh. Very good. And this is silent. And what does this say? Oh, that says k. Good. Oak. Oak. That's what you're saying. Oh, yes, I am. Okay, we just need to correct it. All right, then, let me do a few things. First, I'm going to cover up these letters. Now, tell me what this says. Oh, that says I. I know that one. That's I for Iggy the iguana. That's right. Okay, I'm going to put it right next to the O. Now, we're going to practice blending those. O-I. O-I. Now, if you go fast, O-I. Oi, oi, oi. You'll get oi. Practice it. O-I. O-I. Oi, oi, oi. You're right. It says oi together. That's right. Okay, now I'm going to add this combination. Oh, I already know that one. It says very good. Okay, now we're going to put them all together. Okay, I think I can do it. Oink. Oink. Now just go a little faster. Oink. 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 I did it. I said oink. Thank you, thank you. So Little Joy ran back to show off her new oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oh, wow, Joy, you can oink. Great job. Congratulations. I knew you could do it. I'm so happy. Now we're all ready for the fair. Oink, oink, oink. Yippee! And the pigs celebrated all afternoon. Hello there, it's me, Ellie. Oh, yes. I hope you're having a good day. Okay, so our letter combos for the day are O-I, oi, oi. It is used in a word. Okay, you remember this from our story. The little boy was nice to explain this. So if you practice it, this says O, as in Mrs. O and her poofy orange lips. And this is I, as in Iggy the iguana. You put them together. It's a little tricky in the beginning, but you can do it. And you have to kind of go fast after a while. Here, let's try it. O-I, 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 oi, oi. You see? It's kind of fun. So this is oi. All right. And this is O. And then this is E for eagle. Oi. The same sound. This one we use at the end of a word. And we'll go over all that. So this is oi. And this is oi. Ta-da! Shh. Shh. Oh, I forgot one. Shh. Hey, I know you. You do? Yeah, you're the boy who helped the little Joy in our story. Oh, yeah, she needed some help. Well, I really thank you because that was really nice. And you do a good job watering the flowers. Oh, thanks. Yeah, so guess what, guys? This is the oi. That helped little Joy. Yeah, very cool. Oh, hello there. It's me, Ellie. I'm going to make noodles for Jerome and I for lunch. And I have our pasta sauce and our stovetop. I've got my pan of water, assistant. Put that on the stovetop, please. Thank you. And then we need to let me read the directions. It says to put noodles in and cook for 10 minutes. Okay, assistant, can you put the noodles in, please? Okay, all right. I will go and look for a fork. Okay? All right. Jerome, do you have a fork? Yeah, Ellie, I've got a fork here. The noodles should be ready. All you have to do is put sauce on it. Okay, Ellie. I think these are crunchy. Ellie, I think you forgot to turn on the stovetop. You're supposed to boil the water first and then put the noodles in. Oh, Jerome, I forgot. Yeah, I think I can see that. All right, let's move this aside. This is what we forgot, Ellie. We forgot to oil. We forgot to boil the noodles. Oh, hi guys, it's me, Jerome. It's time for letter art. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we're going to draw my toy airplane. Okay, so I'm going to get a dark color, not yellow. So anything that's not yellow. And here we go. First thing we're going to draw is the curve right there. And then close it up with another curve underneath it. All right, now we're going to start right here and draw a wing. You'll see as we get closer. Okay, now we're going to draw like the whole shape of the toy airplane. So you're going to draw here, up and down and around to the point and then back up. Okay, here we go. Okay, and a little nose. Okay, now we're going to do a little propeller action, starting at the tip of the nose. Make it skinny use the very tip. Okay, do a few, really lightly. Okay, so it looks like action. Okay, now we need the wing in front, so we're going to start right underneath this bubble. It's about the same width as this one. So right here. And then down and loop. Okay, and then we need a little one over here, so a little curve and the same idea. And then a little tiny hint of one behind. Yeah, there you go. Okay, since we didn't use a pencil, we can't erase through here, but this is why I have a dark marker, so we can color these wings in. Covers up all the lines. Okay, now don't color this, just behind it. Okay, now you can color this whatever color you want. And then this is a window where the pilot sits. So let's just put like a little curve or a little reflection in the window and then another little one right here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then we can put a pretend pilot in there. There we go. Okay, and it has a little pull string here. And a little, thing like that. That is my toy airplane, okay? Now we're going to spell toy. So first I need a T. Okay, and then I need O-E, oi. Okay, I need this to say O for orange. Yep, we're coding it. And then I need some E for eagle wings on my Y at the end. There you go. Oi, toy. Great job, guys. And don't forget our list.